This is an all beef hot dog, and today I will try and cook it with my high voltage car audio amplifiers, which run at 400 volts. I'll be capturing the experiment on this camera. I have the voltmeter set on to the 200 volt setting because audio amplifiers put out AC signal. The amplifiers are rated at up to 195,000 watts of power at 0.33 ohms of impedance and 380 volts of DC input. Using standard Ohm's law calculations, I was able to determine the manufacturer's efficiency rating for the amplifiers. And I put together a power versus impedance graph here. After looking up the impedance of meat, I'm going to estimate the hot dog will land right around 125 to 140 ohms of resistance. This gives us about 450 watts of power, enough to cook the hot dog. So let's find out. I will be running a 60 hertz sine wave from my phone. Okay, so there you go. I'm cooking a hot dog with my high voltage car audio setup. And so this thing is really hot. Whew. What's interesting is the inside is cooked and not the outside because the electricity traveled from the end of the leads, so it kind of missed this part of the meat. It's kind of nasty, but oh man, that's good. So if I ever get stranded in the middle of nowhere and I could catch some roadkill, now I know I could use these amplifiers to cook meat.